Think I'll go out to Alberta, whether good or in the fall. I got a brand that I